So if you are a business owner and still you are handling your customer support system manually, then something is wrong with you, because now AI is everything and AI can handle your customer support system better than you can even imagine, and even it can be a voice agent or a chatbot. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can build your own AI chatbot that can handle your customer support system smoothly. So first of all, let's see the demo of the chatbot, how it's going to looks like and works like. Alright, so let's see the demo of the chatbot. I'm going to start this. And this is the first message, which is basically hello, this is Ena from Marfa Real Estate. How can I help you today? And there are three buttons: our services, need customer support, and about us. So if I want to know their services, I can just select our services button, and you can see these are the services that they offer. And now there are three buttons, which is buy a property, sell a property, and rent a property. I can select whatever I want to, like buy a property. So yeah, we can help you to find a perfect property for you. First of all, may I know your name? So let me enter it, Mohit. Thanks Mohit, can you share me your best email? So this is basically the lead generation part. Alright, and let's reset this and start it again. So again this is the first message, and now we are going to select the need customer support part. Okay, so how can I help you? The contact details and request a callback. Again, request a callback is also the lead generation part, and the contact detail is basically it is going to give me the detail. Is there anything else I can assist you with? So there are, again, let me tell you about yourself or your company, about us, and this is all about the Marfa Real Estate. Then there are more options like our team, our services, why choose us. So let's see why choose us. So now they are going to share the yeah, so this is the main thing, why choose us. And again I can select about us, and if I want to know about their team, I can know it. And there is one more thing, like if I want to know like manually, so what are your offers? Let's see. So here we are, this is the thing which they provide. This is their offer. Okay, so you can see the chatbot is working as customer support to lead generation to, and this is kind of very basic chatbot. You can use it in your website, your social media platforms like WhatsApp or Telegram. By the way, if you want the advanced chatbot, like which can recommend the properties, which can also book the appointment and work as a lead capture and also customer support, then I have already created a video on that one too. So if you want to, so you can have it, just click on the I button and you can see the video. By the way, this is the basic chatbot and that one is the advanced one. So if you want to build a basic chatbot, then this chatbot is perfect for you. And no worries, I'm going to show you totally from scratch how you can build it totally from scratch, so you don't have to worry about anything at all. Alright, so now we have seen the demo and now we can start building it. But before that, let me introduce myself. I am Mohit, founder of Chrono AI, my own AI automation agency where I help businesses to grow their business with the help of AI chatbots and voice agents. So if you want to work with me, then hit the description, there is website link. From there you can just book a free call with me and we can discuss how we can integrate AI automation into your business. Now without wasting any further time, let's start building it. But all the templates and all the resources of this video is in the description, so you can just download them for free. Alright, so the platform that we are going to use is Voiceflow, and Voiceflow is one of the best platforms when it's come to building a chatbot because it offers a bunch of features that are really amazing. So if you have an account, then just log in into your account, but if you don't have any account, then in the description there's a sign up link. From there you just sign up for free. Alright, then once you're going to sign up, you're going to see a dashboard like this one, and this is Voiceflow. So I already have created a one agent known as Chrono AI, but again I'm going to show you how you can create your own agent, and we are going to totally build it totally from scratch. Alright, so once you're going to log in, you're going to see a dashboard like this one, and from here in the right top corner you can see a button known as new agent. Just click on this one, and from here we can create our new agent. So I'm going to name it as Chrono AI, and this one is going to be, okay, let's say IT. And from here you can select the language, whatever language you want to. Well, I'm going to select English, and they offer a bunch of templates too. So there is number one template is basic template, then the second one is customer support, then e-commerce support, and the next one is appointment setter. But I'm going to build it totally from scratch, so I'm going to select the basic template, then hit the start button, and now we can import our website if you have one, so you can import it. So you can import your website from here, but I'm going to skip this part. So let's click on the skip button, and here we are. This is our agent. Then just select the workflow and click on the start button. So this is alright, here we are. So this is the workflow of the chatbot, which is already. So from here you can select mouse or trackpad. By default it is set on mouse, so if you are using laptops, then just select trackpad, and then select this and delete all of these things. Alright, because we are going to build it totally from scratch. So delete this. Now see, first of all we need to enter our first message. So from here, from the start button, we need to go to the talk section. Then you can see the first block, which is message. So just drag it down here and then connect the start one with this. Alright, so now it is connected, and now we are going to enter the first message, which is basically going to be so the first message is, hello, this is Ina from Marfa Real Estate, and then I'm going to add another message. So this is another message card, which is this, and then how can I help you today? So this is going to be our second message, and again I'm create some variants from here. Just select on the variant button, then it will generate variants like this one. What can I assist you with today? So you can see there are variants. And now we are going to add some buttons. So in the listen section there is option for button. Just drag it down here and then click on the add button. Okay, so our first button is basically going to be our services. Then this is the first button. Then I'm going to add another button, which is going to be our about us. Then again I'm going to add another button, which is going to be need customer support. So this is our third button, which is need customer support, and you can change this thing with okay, so this is perfect. All right, so if I'm going to run the chatbot, it is going to look like this. Let me run this. So this is our first message. Hello, this is Ina from Marfa Real Estate. How may I help you? Like how may I be service to you today? So these are the buttons. So you can see this is the chatbot and this is the starting. And now we are going to add more flows for this. So now we need to answer the about us section, but before that let me tell you about something that is knowledge base. So let's get back to our this thing, and from here you can see above the workflow there is option for knowledge base. So basically knowledge base is one of the best thing for customer support agent, because you know customer support agent needs some kind of brain, and this is exactly what it is. Knowledge base is nothing, it's just FAQs about your business. So this will help the agent to get the idea what are your services, how your business work, and this is basically the brain of our AI chatbot. Okay, for example, if someone say what are your services, so AI voice agent is going to, for example, if someone said what are your services, so AI chatbot is going to go to the knowledge base, then it is going to search it what are their services, and then it is going to generate the output with the help of knowledge base. So knowledge base is one of the important thing for AI chatbot. So from here we can add a knowledge base. So just click on the add data source. We can use URL, sitemap, upload file, plain text. So first of all I'm going to add a URL, which is, so this is the URL, and okay, everything is fine now. So I'm going to upload the URL first, then again I'm going to add a file. So from here you can upload the file, which is going to be in text form. Well, this is my client knowledge base, so I'm not going to show you, but I will create another video for that, like how to create a perfect knowledge base. So I'm going to click on the upload button, and when the state is going to be done, it is going to be done. All right, let's get back to our workflow. Just click on the start button, and here we are. So first of all, these are the three buttons that we are going to use. So I'm going to create a workflow for the about us. So just click on this, then just start a flow from here, and then add a response AI block. So in the AI, you can see there is block known as response AI. Click on this one. Then select this one on knowledge base. It is default set by AI model, but select knowledge base because we are going to use knowledge base as the brain of the AI. So the question is going to be, what this, okay, tell me about Marfa Real Estate, and this is going to be answer the user question. Okay, just add a question mark here. So now this is perfect. So the question is, tell me about the Marfa Real Estate, and this is the instruction for the AI, answer the user question. So now we can click on the preview button to see the answer. Let's click on this, and then it is generating. Okay, so here we are. So you can see this is the response. Marfa AI is an AI powered platform for cross, like this is all about the Marfa AI. So but we need, like, this is very, very big answer, so we need a short answer. So I'm just going to say, so now I've added one more thing in short. So let's see the preview now. Okay, just click on the preview button and again it is generating. So now you can see it is much more better than before. All right, and there is one more thing in the knowledge base section. Let me show you, and then just go back to the knowledge base. Okay, so in the knowledge base there is one more thing, which is the setting. So in the settings section you can see the model that we are going to use. So just select the GPT 4.0 or 3.5 because they work better, and this is the system prompt for our agent. So I'm not going to use this system prompt because this is very basic. Well, I have got another system prompt that I'm going to use for this company. So this is going to be the system prompt that I'm going to use. Well, don't worry about the system prompt too, because I'm going to provide this one also in the resources, so you can just copy and paste it, but change the company name, and there are lots of things you need to change it. So just go to the ChatGPT and copy and paste it, and say in the prompt it ChatGPT to change the name and all of the things that, like, I can say the email address and number, phone number. So these are the basic things that you need to change. Then once you're going to add a system prompt, then just click on the save button. Then let's get back to our workflow. Click on the start button. Okay, here we are. So now we need to add, like, this is the thing which is for about us, but now we need to add, like, first of all remove this one, not path found, because we don't really need that one. And now I'm going to add buttons here. So just drag and down buttons, click on the add button, and we are going to add more buttons here. So the first button is going to be our team. So this is the first button. Then I'm going to add another button which is going to be why. Okay, why choose us. Then again I'm going to add another button which is going to be main menu, and then again I'm going to add another button which is going to be our services. Well, we don't really need that our services button because we already have one, but let's say, like, if someone wants to know, so we can just add it here. So now there are 4 buttons, and again I'm going to do the same thing here, which is again I'm going to add the response AI block. So just go to the AI, add a response AI block, then set it on the knowledge base. Then the question is, tell me about your team. Tell me about your team. In the instruction I'm going to add answer the user question. So again add a question mark here. So this is perfect. Well, we really don't need that no found path, so remove this one, and again add another AI block from here, response AI block, and this one is also going to be set on knowledge base. And then this one is for services. Okay, so what are your services? So this is going to be the question, and the answer is, the instruction is going to be answer the user question. Okay, let's see the preview. Okay, so you can see these are the services that they offer. So yeah, this is working perfectly fine. Then again add another response AI block, response AI, then again set it on the knowledge base and add a question here. Why should I choose you? Then in the instruction answer the user question again, and let's see the preview of this one too. Okay, so you can see this is a preview, and yeah, the answer is right. Unique selling point includes. All right, this is perfect. Then you can see there is one more button which is for main menu. So we are going to connect this one with the main one. So I'm going to add another message card here. Well, this one is going to be like, can I help you with something else? So add a message card here, and the message is going to be, can I help you with something else? And just click on the variant button and generate some variant for this. Okay, so this is a perfect variant. Okay, so now I'm going to, first of all, okay, this is perfect, and then I'm going to connect this one with the main block, and now I'm going to connect this one with the with this thing. Okay, so these are the options that I'm going to connect it with. Okay, so now let's run our AI chatbot. Let's see that it is working or not. Just click on the run test button, and this is the first message, this is the second message, and there are our options. Let's select on the about us. So you can see this is the message for about us, and there are more buttons: why choose us, our team, our services. Let's say why choose us. Okay, so this is the answer for why choose us. Well, we haven't connected anything yet, so it is saying like no path connected. So now we are going to connect this thing with this one. So just drag it down here. Okay, just select this, and then connect this path with this. Again, this one with this, and this one with this. If someone said why choose us, so the answer is going to be appeared, then it will say can I help you with something else, then these main options will be going to be showed. Okay, alright guys, this is another day. Last day my recording got messed up and it wasn't able to record it, but let's see, like I'm going to build it again. Well, in the last time I totally built it, but I'm going to build it again, no worries. So that was the path, like about us path is completed. So it is going to answer this, and then the options, then there are, okay, there is one more path which is can I help you with something else, and which is connected with this. Okay, so now we are going to create the other path, which is our services and need contact support. So first of all, let's create our need customer support path. After that we will create our services path. Okay, so first of all we are going to add a message for need customer. So drag it down here, add, go to the talk section as a message card, and the message is going to be like yes, how can I help you. So this is going to be our first message for need customer. Then just generate some variant for this, then go to the buttons and drag it down here and click on the plus icon, and now we are going to add some buttons. So let's add contact details. This is the first button, and add one more button which is basically request a callback. So this is the second button which is request a callback. So yeah, so we are only going to use two buttons for this. The number one is contact detail, then the second one is request a callback. For contact detail, add a response block which is response AI, then select it with knowledge base. Then the question will be what are your contact details. This is the question, and this one answer the user. So let's see the preview, it is working or not. Okay, so these are the contact detail. Okay, so this is working properly. Yeah, we don't need anything at all. By the way, disable this one, no path, because we really don't need that one. So from here we are going to send it to this. So you can see the name of the block, which is can I help you with something else, is loop. So what we are going to do is we are going to send it from here to loop. So just click on this, go to the action and go to the blocks. Now select it, the question and answer, and select the loop. So if someone select contact detail, then it is going to show the contact detail, which is basically this. So this is going to be the answer. Then it will get to this. Okay, so like the chatbot is going to say can I help you with anything else too. Okay, so this one is for contact detail, and now we are going to add another part which is basically for request a callback. Well, this is the same as lead generation, and I already have created a video on that. So if you want to watch it, just click on the I button and you can watch it. And in this video I'm not going to explain it because it will like increase the length of the video. That will make no sense because the video is already available. If you want to, so you can watch it for free. Just click on the I button and you will get it. So this is a thing which is basically we are going to use for our request a callback, or we can say lead generation. So the thing is, first of all, let me just connect this with this. So this is the thing, and then it is going to ask the first name of the user, which is first of all, may I know your name. Then they are going to give the name, and it is a capture block. In the variable I have entered the name. So this is the variable which is for name and with name. So if I enter Mohit, then the variable is going to change with Mohit. Okay, and the second thing is this is another message card, and we are using the variable here. You can see thanks Mohit. You can add variable by this. Let me show you how. Just add two curly bracket and you can select anything, like any type of variable. Let's say email or anything. So you can add variable like this. So thanks name, can you share me your best email ID? And now it is going to capture the email in the capture block. Just click on this. If you want to create a variable, just hit the create button and enter email. Well, I already got one, so I'm not going to create it. Just hit the create button. All right, then the next message is like the message, is there anything else they want to share with you, and it is going to save in the message variable. This is also a capture block, and this is important. This is the API call, which is basically used for the Airtable. Well, you need to get the base ID, your Airtable base ID, and an API key. And again, if you want to know how to get your base ID, Airtable, and your Airtable API key, and in that video, in that lead generation video, I already have explained you how you can get it, and it is free, by the way. And this is the body, which is for sending the records. Well, let me explain you the body part. So these are the column names, which is this name, email, message, and these are the column names. And then this is the variable of Voiceflow, you can see. So you can change the column name from here, and you can change the variable of Voiceflow from here, and then it is going to send the data. So you can also check this one by clicking on the send button, and you can see this is 200. Okay, so if it is in green, then it is working. If it's say 404 or say something like that, so it is an error. Okay, so let's zoom in again. Yeah, so that was for the request to callback. It can go to this and it is going to ask everything. Then the next thing is it is going to say thanks, we got your details, and soon our agent is going to contact you. Okay, and then it is going to say another message which is there anything else I can help you with. Well, I really don't need this one. Let's say I'm going to delete this part. Delete this one, and from here I'm going to connect it with the loop. Go to the action, again go to the blocks and connect this one with loops. Okay, so this is loops. By the way, if you want the template of this chatbot, it is in the description. You can download it for free. Okay, now our last path is remain, which is our services. And again go to the AI, go to the response AI block, drag it down here, and this is select the knowledge base. And this time the question will be what are your services. So this is a question, and in the instruction like answer the user. Let's see the preview, it is working or not. Okay, yeah, these are the services, so we can disable this thing. By the way, connect this one with the our services button. So let me just connect this. Okay, so now it is connected with this, and yeah, so now I'm going to add more option here, which is in the buttons. Drag down the button section here. Okay, and now click on the add button, and now we are going to add multiple button, which is buy a property. Then copy this and add another button, which is going to be sell a property. So this time sell a property. Well, you can enter whatever services you guys are offering for your business, and this one is for rent a property. Okay, so this thing is perfect. Yeah, and now we are going to connect this one with a message. So first of all, add a message block here and enter a message, which is going to be great, we can help you to find a perfect property for you. Well, you can generate some variants if you want to. Click on the generate variants. Okay, so yeah, so this one is not good, but yeah, these are perfect. Now add another message block for sell a property. Just click on the talk, go to the AI. Okay, go to the talk and go to the message, and from here we are going to enter a message, which is going to be okay, we will we will help you to sell your property at perfect price or for perfect price. And again, if you want some variables like variants, generate variants. Well, the third one is same again, add a message block for third one, which is rent a property. So again, go to the talk, add a message block, and this time we are going to say perfect, we can help you with that. So this is with. Okay, perfect. And now we are going to connect all of these three things with this. So we are going to generate the leads. Okay, so enter here, and again connect this one with this, and this one with this. And now we need one more thing, which is basically for the most important part, which is customer support system. In the main scenario, go to the button section, and you can see there is a path which is no match. So just enable this one, and you can enable also this one, follow path after reprompt. Okay, now we got one more button, which is basically not a button, but this is no match. So, and also enable this one, which is trigger for other, like listen for other triggers. And now we are going to add, and now we are adding a response AI block to answer all of the question. So in the question, enter, this is the user question, and now enter a variable which is last utterance, and in the instruction again enter it, answer the user. And okay, this is fine. So let's see the preview. So now we need the value of the last utterance. So yeah, this is the perfect. Let's see it is working or not. Just click on the generate button, and yep, here we are, it is working. So now we need to connect this one. By the way, like you can disable this one, not path found. Alright, so now I'm going to connect this thing again with this, okay, loop. So just connect this one with loop, and yep, this is perfect. So yeah, this chatbot is now in working condition, and it can work for your, like it can work for as a customer agent for you, for your business. And if you are adding some triggers, so you can train your agent from here. Just click on this, and from here you can train your agent. By the way, this is the first message, and these are the button. Let's say our services. So now it is going to jump to the response AI block, which is this, and then it is going to show me all of the services they offer. Now there are three buttons, which is buy, sell or rent a property. If I'm going to click sell a property, then it is going to say this message, which is okay, we can help to sell your property. And now it is going to ask me the name. Okay, so this is the lead generation part, and there is one more thing, which is like customer support. So let me just reset this, and now I'm going to show you the customer support part, which is basically the no match. So this is the first message, and now I'm not going to select any option. I'm going to say what are your offers, and let's see. So now this is the no match path, you can see. So now it is going to answer it. So yeah, so you can see this is the answer. These are the offers they offer. So again, this is back to the loop, and there are the main option, which is our services, need customer support, and about us. So yeah guys, this chatbot can also work as a lead generation with the help of customer support, and this is the overall chatbot for a business. And we can add multiple functions more, like appointment scheduling and more function property recommendation, but I have already created that video. Like you can see on the I button, there's a video for property recommendation part. So if you want to know like how to build a chatbot for property recommendation, you can watch that one video, and also appointment scheduling. So yeah guys, this is how exactly you can build your own chatbot. Well, the template, I'm going to provide you the template in the description. You can just download it from Gumroad. By the way, I'm going to make more videos how you can build more advanced chatbot in the future. So if you want to know it, just like this video and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon on all so you can get the notification. And that's all for today. I'm going to see you in another video. Until then, bye.